Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 17th August. Some of the important events happened on 17th August in history of India and the world which all of us must know. So let's have a look at those events happened on this day in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Before starting, let's have today's thought. Life always offers you a second chance. It is called tomorrow. So don't repent on past and carry on your efforts so that you will get your success one day. Now let's start today's session of your questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Hindi writer born on this day in 1916 whose notable work is Bund or Samudra and directed his own play Yugavatar based on the life of Bharatendu Harishchandra? Answer. Amritlal Nagar. Question number 2. Which Indian economist born on this day in 1945 was 21st Governor of Reserve Bank of India who had written the book India and the Global Financial Crisis, Managing Money and Finance? Answer. Y. Venugopal Reddy. Question number 3. Which line was declared on this day in 1945 to demarcate the boundary line between India and Pakistan? Answer. Red Cliff Line. And it was demarcated by Sir Cyril Redcliffe. Question number 4. Which Indian laborer known as Mountain Man died on this day in 2007 had carved a path 360 feet long and 30 feet wide by cutting a ridge of hills with his hammer and chisel? Answer. Dasarath Majhi. Question number 5. Which Indian revolutionary died on this day in 1949, was founder of Dhaka Anushilhan Samiti and is known for organizing Barha Dakaiti at the residence of Jamidar of Barha, and he bought arms and ammunition with the help of fund received in this way so as to fight against the British? Answer. Pulin Bihari Das. Question number 6. Which is the world's first cartoon film released on this day in 1908 that was created by French cartoonist Emily Cole? Answer. Phantasmagorie. Question number 7. Which British writer born on this day in 1932 whose notable works are A House for Mr. Biswas, In a Free State and A Bend in the River? Answer. V.S. Naipaul. Question number 8. Which Indonesian politician declared the independence of Indonesia from Netherlands on this day in 1945? Answer. Sukarno. And this day is celebrated as Independence Day of Indonesia. Question number 9. Which book by English novelist George Orwell was published on this day in 1945? Answer. Animal Farm. Question number 10. Which company produced the world's first compact disc on this day in 1982? Answer. Royal Philips Electronics. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then appreciate it so that we will be enabled to get you more informative videos on history. Thank you.